My dear student friends, faculty members, staff, head of the institutions, deans, directors, and university officers of Amity University, Mumbai. Today, we celebrate a joyous moment, a celebration that is nationally wide, across all the caste, creed, and culture. We are celebrating the 79th Independence Day. Independence Day commemorates three important things. We have gotten the independence from British colonial movement. We are here to acknowledge and celebrate the hard work that is being rendered by our ancestors, and also to all the fallen soldiers who have guarded our perimeter to protect us and give us freedom. The third one is the real independence of national integrity and the destiny that everyone would relish and enjoy during this moment in time for all these 79 years. This gives us free from the clutches of 200 years of colonial movement of British Raj. We have given a new India 79 years ago. We are maintaining independence in all ways and all walks of life. I am here to just convey that freedom is always good. At the same time, maintaining freedom is very hard as well as very relishing. We have a lot of responsibility with our hands. The seniors, the juniors, the students, the young generation. Everyone would join together to make India great every moment in time. As we stand now, almost compared to the superpower, people respect us, honor us for our integrity, for our independence, for our responsibility towards the development of the world. Jai Hind.